Good morning. Welcome to BriBooks podcast series for the young author. And today we have Patrick from NYF UAE who has written a very, very beautiful book called The First Seven. And it is also one of the bestseller books. So, good morning, Patrick.
Good,
Congratulations for writing such a beautiful book. How are you?
good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm really excited to, understand your journey of writing. How did you feel? And uh, when you started writing, what were your feelings? So, can you please share something about, when you began writing your story?
When I started, I was like really excited because I've always wanted to write a book and publish it.
Okay.
So like
So, is this your first
it's
book?
yes, it is my first book. I've never written a book before.
And it's written so well. So I was reading your book and it has so many elements put together, and that too very nicely. It talks about adventure, there's a monster, and it has mystery and horror. So how did you imagine this story? Did you get inspired from some real life instances, experiences, or your friends or your parents helped you in imagining this story, making it into a book?
No, not really. I haven't had any experiences like that. So I just imagine by myself like what would my story look like or like how would I write this to make it sound good
Hmm.
more.
And do you also love reading other storybooks?
Yeah, I have many books in my shelf over there.
Wow, so it must be feeling very exciting to have your own book in your own name. How was the first feeling when you know, kind of published it and bought that one copy, and when you became a bestseller? So, how did you feel? Now, how do you feel now when you see your book in the shelf?
I feel very proud of myself because this is a very big accomplishment of mine.
So, tell me, you know, there must be uh, days when you must have thought about the plot of the story, how you're going to write it, what kind of characters will you get into the story. So you have these three characters, Pablo, Roberto, and Carlos, and they look very real, so
Yeah,
how what was your what was going on in your mind when you were imagining these characters?
I was just in the car. I was wondering what should I write about and uh, like what I should name the characters. So I thought of those names and I really thought they had a deep meaning to them.
Okay. And um, did you learn something where while writing the story, how did you feel inside? Do you feel something different now than before, when when you had not written the story? Do you feel any difference in yourself?
Yes, I feel more confident in myself because before I wrote the book I was very shy and I was not recognized much in my school. But
Mhm.
now after I've written the story, I've been more recognized and I've become more confident in myself.
Lovely. And what made you decide upon a title like The First Seven? It's a very catchy, unusual title.
Because at first I thought of making 7 books, so this would be the first of all the 7 of them.
Wow. And I wish you all the best for your all upcoming six more books. Actually, I was thinking, I should ask you seven questions since you have written the first seven. But I think I'm going to get more opportunity to, uh, do many more podcasts with you, talk about your stories. So if you had to, give some advice or guidance to the young authors who are of your age and who have not started their journey of writing, do you have any guidance or anything to share with them that can inspire them?
Don't be shy, like someone's going to make fun of you because your book is not good. Just feel confident and you know you'll succeed.
Wonderful. And uh, you have written this book from your heart, and I really, really wish you all the best. Thank you for this beautiful conversation, Patrick, and I look forward to reading many, many more books from you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.